Alright, so my first application is already covered by Michael, so I'm just going to skip over to the second one. Second one is Volvo. What they did was for their assembly tools and jigs and fixtures, they completely changed from metal to high density ABS with a Stratsys Fortis printer. So the reason why they did it is they did it in a this one. I mean, the company is in Sweden, but then the factory which actually made the change is in France, right? Uh, as we all know, Volvo is really big, has around like 18,000 plus employees. In here, so these are some of the tools which they made for their factory assembly line. So they make it using ABS and FDM, Stratsys FDM, as usual. The thing is, they reduce the time to a very large extent by around 94%, and the cost is slashed down by like 100%. So for them, for making a metal part, it takes around like 100 euros per meter cube, and now it costs them around like €1 per meter cube, and that's all they cost. And they're just customizing whatever they want to do, however they want to do, and that's kind of like the basic requirement for them right now.